have 10 websites that will make your life easy as a graphic designer. Believe it or not, it has helped me, and I hope it will help you too. Number 1, we have Freeject. So Freeject is an awesome website whereby they serve you a wide range of resources, going from mockups to textures. They also have a YouTube channel whereby they show you how they create these textures. So they have CD mockups, they have t-shirt mockups, they have logo mockups. You can take these logos and turn them into your own. It's my go-to whenever I need a mockup, texture, or a font in general. Let's move on to the next. Now Flaticons. It is an icons website ranging from social media icons to COVID-19 icons. And if you are a UX and UI designer, it's like a candy shop for you. You never need any icons website again. So you see, on number 3, we have thatfontfree.io. You see how when you go to font website, it's like they only have the typeface and that's all. But that font free or that free font website, the IO, they provide you with a breakdown of what these fonts can be used for. Like when you go to the official sites of these fonts, how they show you these fonts can be used for. That is what they do at their core best. So check it out. Let's vibe. Next one, number 4. If you're like when you can afford softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, but you're very passionate and you want to learn, and not just Photoshop or Illustrator, all other applications, this website is for you. Filecl.com. They have a wide range of softwares you can download for free. Some are already cracked already. For free. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to number 5. Unsplash. Somebody may say, why do you look to your left? Charlie, it's a struggle trying to use your phone to film. I don't lie. Unsplash, I think you guys have heard already. It is a free stock footage website, and Pixels as well. But the special thing about Pixel is that it also has high quality footages, and that is a great thing to have in video. I even did one of my music videos. I don't really do music that much, but I did one of my music videos using the stock footages from Pixels, and I think maybe I'll link it. I've not uploaded it, but because of this video, I'll upload it so that you can watch it. I use Pixels footages, and they are very high quality. So let's move to the next one. We talk about George Celares. I don't know how to mention his name, but I think it's George. So, Jose. I don't know, man. But when you go to his website, specifically to the freebie section, he's been kind and generous enough to give you free resources. Man, what else do you need? Free resources. He has textures, he has backgrounds, he has free PNGs for flowers, trees. He has gold textures. No, I can't even name all right now, so please go check it out. His name is George Celares. No, I can't measure, bro. Let's go on to the next. Somebody may think I'm being lazy and that you already know free pick already, but other people don't know. So please bear with me. The next one is free pick. And when you go to free pick, we have wallpapers, we have mockups, we have stock footages, we have PSD files you can edit yourself. So if you are a new graphic designer and want to learn, you can go and download some of these files, bring it into Photoshop, edit it, try to understand how these people came about these things. Okay, so that is the whole benefit of free pick for me now. So if you want to reference a design that you don't think you know how to do yet, or you just want to know how somebody created what type of design, just go to free pick, type in here's a flyer you want, birthday flyer, type in birthday flyer, event flyer, type in event flyer. Then when you get it, you put it into Photoshop and try to understand the intricacies of creating such an artwork. So that is it. I said I had a surprise for you all, and truly have the surprise. So my surprise, which is at number 10, is Blue Vertigo. I don't know what to tell you, but Blue Vertigo is the supremost, the best of the best, the superior one of all websites, of all resource websites. So when you go to Blue Vertigo right now, from 2014, they've compiled free resource websites since 2014. So just imagine, they are almost 1,000 or more than 1,000. I didn't even count. But when you go to Blue Vertical right now, you get free 3D websites, free mockup websites, free UX and UI designs, and icons, free stock footages, free stock videos, and a whole lot. So please check it out. This is my first time doing this, and I hope next time when I do this, I'll be more confident and I'll bring you more content. So if you think you have any value, any type of value, if I help you anyway, if you understand something in any way, if I gave you a new website anyhow anyway, please give me a like or please subscribe. Help the boy. I don't know my subscriber count right now, but it's very small and I need to be big. So help me be big. Help me be big. I'm a brother, bro. I'm a brother. Help me out. That's it. It's been Kelvin OS. I'm out.